Why waste time in long queues when you can pre-register your visit in seconds? Here's how Vista makes visitor check-ins effortless. Meet Priya. She has an important business meeting today. Instead of waiting at the reception, she pre-registers her visit online. She simply enters her name, date, and purpose of visit, all set in just a few taps. No phone calls, no receptionist delays. Once approved, Priya receives a QR code for fast, hassle-free check-in. No last-minute confusion. No "Who are you here to meet?" questions. Just a seamless experience. On arrival, Priya simply scans her QR code or uses Face ID, entry granted in less than 0.3 seconds. With Vista, security and efficiency go hand in hand. Priya is in on time, every time, and so can you. Pre-register with Vista today.